Section 2.2, a function contains these points: 0, 1, 1 3/4, and 2 9/16. Which type of function is this? Linear, quadratic, cubic, or exponential? Well, if it's linear, you add the same number to get from one number to the next. So this one would have you subtract a quarter, and subtracting a quarter should get you to a half, not to 9/16. It's not linear. Now, quadratic would, you know what? I don't even want to do this. I don't want to do cubic either, because then we would have to do rates of change of rates of, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, especially for cubic. That's 3 different rates of change. No thanks. I'm going to skip to exponential, though, because when it's exponential, you multiply this number to get to that number. So 1 times 3/4 is 3/4, so I have multiplied by 3/4. And if I multiply 3/4 to 3/4, I do get, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, I do get 9/16. So since I multiply the y value by the same number both times, this is exponential because the ratio between consecutive y values is constant. Don't really want to do second and third differences. No, I'll stick with that.